everyone, I am back with a little Amazon find. One thing when I'm browsing Amazon, I'm always looking for new things I can get for the camera or videography business that I operate. I'm always looking for different items that'll help enhance my video or photography business, and today I think I have a good one. Lighting is key when it comes to videography and especially photography. Having good lighting is important to keep interest up in whatever it is that you're shooting. And today I'm going to show you a product that I found on Amazon. It's an LED light that sells for under $30. So let's take a look at it. This product on Amazon goes for 30 bucks. In the description below I have a link that'll get you there. But I really like this light. For $30 you can get yourself a nice little accent light that has a couple different features that I think are critical. On the back of it you're going to see a spot where you can put a removable battery. I think this is important because obviously rechargeable batteries are important and you don't always have an AC power source or a DC power source. But here you got a removable battery. This does not come with the purchase, but you can get two of those for about 20 bucks on Amazon, and I'll link that below as well. It's got a push power dimmer switch. So this is pretty nice. So you can sit there and you can adjust. There's a digital readout to tell you if you're at 10 or all the way up to 100%. Why is that dimmer so important? You can see I'm literally taking the light off to the side of my face is all washed out. I can go through here, I can bring that down, and then I can go back and put it on. And now it kind of adds a nice little accent light. Now I did find one additional product on here that was a hood that went over top. What I ended up doing with this hood is I just velcroed it to the light, and I think that's really cool because now for under 50 bucks I have a nice little accent lighting that has a diffuser on it. So if you like this little Amazon find, go ahead, click on the link below, take a better look at it. If you like this video and want to see more of it, by all means, please subscribe to my page. And I hope this was good information. If you believe it was, go ahead and hit that like button. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks again. This LED light is for sale on Amazon for less than $30. If you go to the link below, you're going to see a link to my website. You can get a direct link to this website. That's a lot of links. Sorry, just click the button below and you're sure to find it.